welcome to AliKat, and this is my first video. So today I'm going to be doing the makeup of my mother, and yeah, it's gonna be a little difficult because it's my first time. So let's get started. So guys, this is my mother, and today I'm going to do her makeup. So first we're going to do the base. So we're gonna start with a little moisturizer. So guys, I've applied the moisturizer. Now I'm going to apply this primer. It is Ultimate Pro. So let's start. So guys, now I'm applying the foundation. It's all over my hand, but that doesn't matter anymore. So guys, I am done with the foundation. Now we're gonna start with the compact. This is the face powder from Colorbox. So guys, now I have applied the compact. Now I'm going to apply the blush from Made in New York. It's my mom's absolute favorite. So guys, now I'm going to apply make her eyebrows. This is from L'Oreal Paris. She looks like this. So guys, I am done with her eyebrows, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm gonna do her eyes with the eyeshadow. This is 36 color professional eyeshadow palette. I'm making smoky eyes. So it's really very complicated. So guys, I have done her black outline of the smoky eyes. So now I'm going to do the inner part. So and now I'm going to mix two colors. I'm going to mix this color and this color and do it on the inner part of her eyes. So guys, this is what I've done so far. I think it looks good. Now to define her eyes, I'm going to apply a little bit of white on the top of it. So guys, now I'm going to apply the eyeliner. This is e.l.f. eyeliner. As you can see, I am done with the liner also. Now I'm going to apply the mascara. Now guys, I'm going to start with the lips. So I'm going to apply white in the middle, and then both the sides I'm going to do with red. There you go guys, done with everything. I did the lips a little light because we did a really heavy makeup on the eyes. Now we're just going to show you some beauty shots. So guys, this was my video. Hope you enjoyed. This was my first video, so I guess it was really nice to do makeup on my first video. If you enjoyed, please like this video and subscribe my channel over here. Bye!